Diabetes mellitus, also known as sugar diabetes or just diabetes, is a disease in which the body is unable to control its blood glucose concentration, so that if it is left untreated, there is an unusually high glucose level in the blood. There are several types of disease caused by either an inability of the pancreas to make enough insulin or because the target organs do not respond to the insulin produced. Someone with a diabetes is called diabetic. There are two main types of diabetes called type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes results from the pancreas being unable to make enough insulin. It most commonly develops in children and onset happens suddenly. It is not associated with the lifestyle factors such as the poor diet or obesity. Type 1 diabetes can only be treated using injections of insulin. Type 2 diabetes develops when receptors from insulin on cells in the liver and muscle lose their ability to recognize the hormone. It is sometimes accompanied by a lower than normal production of insulin. Type 2 diabetes most commonly begins in adults and onset happens gradually. This type of diabetes is usually found in many people who have a poor diet and are overweighted. It can usually be treated by improving their diet and lifestyle, and insulin injections is only needed in severe cases. However, although type 2 diabetes is commonly a result of poor lifestyle, there seems to be a genetic component. Meanwhile, a person with type 2 diabetes in their family may inherit genes for the disease. Both types of diabetes produce similar symptoms. A person affected by diabetes mellitus will have a persistently high blood glucose concentration, which reaches such a high level that glucose is excreted in the urine. Another sign of diabetes is a constant thirst. This is because the high blood glucose level stimulates receptors in the hypothalamus of the brain. If severe diabetes is left untreated, the consequences are truly serious. The person loses weight and becomes weaker. They become mentally confused and eventually fall into a coma and die.